Jake, say hi!
Hi.
Where are we going today? Diana Joy, what is birthday party? Bayaran! First time ni Alec na attend sa birthday party at meron kami 3 bulinggi. Oh my God, what's that? Today Albert is driving. We have 3 kids. Actually, is it first time Alec attending birthday party? I think in Netherlands siya. First time niya attend. So, yung 2 bata, sinabay namin. Hinatid sila ng kanilang Oma means grandmother and Mama means mother. What is that? Anyway, let's see how is the birthday party here in the Netherlands. Alex, say later, guys. Ang sarap makapag-video, guys. So, pag nakaupo lang, sarap hindi ako nag-drive. So, ito yung Christmas tree. This is Christmas tree, Han, right? Bibenta nila ng ano. I don't know how much that here. But we're not buying it because we're not gonna be here during Christmas.
20 euros.
20 euros for that?
Meron.
Gosh. So, kita niyo yung daan, guys. So, para lang nasa probinsya ka. Pero mas malinis. Meron silang Santa Claus. Si Santa Claus tsaka si Pete. Meron silang
Here,
Santa
more
Claus.
on the left.
Oh, si Pete. Oh, I think meron silang meron silang show si Santa Claus. Okay, come down. I saw Tada is there with Diana Joy. Ayun sila naglalaro. Lalaro yun. Kasi si Alec ayaw pumunta sa laruan. Hindi kasama yung daddy. So, it's the party. Alec or daddy?
Go. I'm gonna give it a shot out the spray.
Okay, hand jump nga. Try jump. See?
Mommy, I like it there more than Daddy, but here I don't like it.
Nakumbinsi ng daddy niya. Takot at takot Si Alec kasi, yung tipo ng bata na makikita niyo iba. Laro. Si Alec hindi. Takot siya. Kaya ngayon sa school, tinitrain siya nung may teacher doon yung para sa height. The birthday party.
Good, and I have it.
You enjoying?
Anyone?
Tada, good? Okay? Diana Joy, you okay? Good. Siya yung may birthday. Siya yung best friend ni Alec. And then, ay nako, ang akyat. Talaga umakyat kami doon.
No, it's so fun with Daddy.
Oh? Naglalakad. Natapos na kami sa birthday party, tapos nandito na kami sa amin sa Oosterwolde. But nagpunta kami sa isang parang bar, restaurant. We have a few drinks, me and Daddy Albert. And now, we're gonna go grab some pizza for dinner. Weekend. Ito ang Oosterwolde sa village sa gabi. Ayun yung Domino's. So, since it's a weekend, we'll get some pizza for both of them. Kasi ako parang nabusog ako dun sa beer. Hey! Hey, say bye-bye in our vlog.
Bye-bye.
Say bye-bye in our vlog. Thank you for watching. So, meron na silang mga Christmas decor dito sa village. So, thank you for watching, guys. Hoy, say thank you for watching, guys.
Bye.